Now to an Eyewitness News exclusive. A heartbroken mother fighting to get answers after her son's brutal beating. He was left severely injured after he was attacked in Ulster County 6 months ago.
The man responsible for the beating sentenced for only a misdemeanor, and the victim's mother claims authorities are withholding information about the case.
There is video of this attack, and she wants to see it. So why can't she? 7 on your side, investigative reporter Jim Hoffer here now with some answers. Jim?
A mother reached out to us pleading for help following the near beating death of her son. She is convinced the police and the district attorney in Ulster County are protecting the criminal rather than seeking justice for her son.
Wake up for mommy.
Donna Augustine visits her son Stephen every day since he was assaulted back in May. Stephen, who has 2 young sons, was walking home from work late at night when he was attacked near this Kingston bakery.
He doesn't know us. He doesn't respond to anything.
Charles Miles, who has a history of drug convictions, pled guilty to 3rd-degree assault for the attack, a misdemeanor for which he is serving just 10 months in the Ulster County Jail.
I just can't believe this has happened and these people are allowed to do something like this and get away with it.
Stephen's mother can't accept that her son was nearly beaten to death and the attacker only got charged with a misdemeanor assault. The DA told us that's because New York criminal law requires proof of intent to cause serious physical injury in order to bring felony assault charges.
One person punched another person, and there was no way for us to determine the intent to commit a serious physical injury as a result of that conduct.
The punch, according to the DA, knocked Stephen down. The fall, he claims, is what caused his severe injuries.
The skull fracture was consistent with a fall backwards.
Stephen's mother says you need only look at Stephen to know it doesn't make sense. Medical records also show that he suffered at least 4 separate skull and facial fractures. In another record, a doctor wrote traumatic brain injury, which indicates a strike with a baseball bat. Donna thinks a key piece of evidence, a surveillance video of the attack, could answer a lot of her questions. Why is it important to you to see that video?
I want to know what happened to my son.
After numerous phone calls and letters to the district attorney, she got this letter back, claiming the records you seek are not maintained by this office and your request is denied.
Of course they have the case file with the video.
David Schwartz, who used to work as an assistant district attorney in Brooklyn, says if the Ulster prosecutor is so certain the evidence supports only a misdemeanor assault, then why not show the mother the video?
On the face of it, it looks like they're hiding something. What are they hiding?
If you wanted to show her that videotape, you could bring her in here and show her that.
That's correct.
Why haven't you? She's asked repeatedly.
What the answer is that she's been directed to the Kingston Police Department.
When pressed on not giving Ms. Augustine access, the DA asked us to leave.
Do you have any other questions?
No, that's an important one.
Okay.
Why can't you let her see the videotape?
Yeah. Thank you. We're done.
Stephen's mother thinks her son's attacker is getting special treatment because just weeks after the attack, one of the investigators hinted to her that Charles Miles might have helped the police and DA as an informant.
He said that there was a person that was present at the assault that has worked with the police department for many years, and it was very, very trusted.
Is Charles Miles an informant? Was he an informant on past cases in Ulster County? Was he? Was he an informant?
You have to leave now.
Was he an informant?
I can't talk to you anymore.
After telling Miss Augustine that they did not have the videotape, she got a call yesterday saying she can come to the district attorney's office next week to see the tape. We've also learned that even though the case is a misdemeanor, it has been sealed. Miss Augustine says she wants an independent investigation into the handling of her son's case.